Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a problem to solve, and let us peruse without wasting time. Log of the cube root of 64 in base square root of 2. Okay, let us start by rewriting this and then writing out their powers. Okay, it will now be log 64 raised to the power of 1 over 3 to represent cube root, while the which is the square root of 2, it will now be 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now we can write 64 in index form. 64 is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, and times 2 is 32, and times 2 is 64, meaning that 2 raised to the power of 6. So we can simply rewrite it as 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 all over 3. Then we write our base 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now we know that the both powers will multiply each other. 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 1 over 3, which will now be 2 raised to the power of 6 over 3, which will give us 2. So we can rewrite it as log 2 raised to the power of 2 in base 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Now, having done this, what we can say here is this: 2 is an argument and the base remains the base. So since they are both the same, what we are going to do is we are going to divide the power of the argument by the power of the base. I repeat, we are going to divide the power of the argument by the power of the base. Okay, it simply means that 2 will be divided by the power of the base, which is 1 over 2. Now when we have a problem as this, we can take this 2, which is the denominator, to the top and bring the 1, which is the numerator, to the bottom. The division sign will now become multiplication sign. So if we do that, it will now be 2 multiplied by 2 over 1. It simply means that our final answer will be equal to 4. So thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, do well to like, share, inform your friends about Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Bye bye.